you need to keep posting those videos. Why do I say so? As a new creator and you are having less than 5 videos on your channel or less than 10 videos on your channel and you're expecting growth from nowhere, how does that how do you even think that's going to work? Because I remember while customizing my YouTube channel, there's a part I saw where it says YouTube updates the For You page with fresh content. That means YouTube needs more of our videos. Okay, and it says if you, that part it says if you have enough content, that is even when that's going to work. That means you need to keep posting and keep posting videos for YouTube to take those videos, that even if you posted a video and that video is like maybe 2 weeks ago, you posted a video 2 weeks ago and that video has about 2 views, please do not worry, do not even delete your video, just leave those videos. When you have enough content on your page, on your profile, your YouTube, on your YouTube will automatically refreshing those, bringing those videos on the For You for people to watch. Okay, so please do not give up. I was a witness. I was just staying idle. I posted 3 videos and I was waiting for those videos to just blow up just like that. I don't think it's going to work that way for me. So after seeing this setting, I realized that I need to keep making videos. And by the grace of God, I think I'm seeing little improvement on my channel. So please, if you are that new creator, do not give up on yourself on YouTube. And if you are that person that is still procrastinating, please just go post that video. Just post it. Do not even care on what other people has to say about you. Just post that video, because you are doing more good to yourself than harm. So post those videos. And I wish I can put a picture of that setting I was talking about on the YouTube studio site. Oh God, I'm not able to do that. Listen, we are new creators, we are starting what we have, but on the long run you will see more of some screenshots by the side of some tutorial videos. But for now, please, I beg you in the name of God, make those videos. I mean, I would like to share an app with you that it really changed my creation game here on YouTube. Like, I will be struggling to look for ideas, looking for titles to make, and honestly it can be exhausting. So I saw this app on YouTube. A big creator shared this app. That app is called vidIQ. It will like give you content ideas. In fact, that app is powerful enough that it will kind of like scan the subscribers that you have, or even if you have no subscribers at all, it will, if you have subscribers, maybe you have 20 subscribers or maybe you have zero, but on the long run we are just new creators. As a new creator, it will scan your channel from beginning to the end and tell you what your viewers will want to watch. Like the recent video I posted, the title I used on that video was from that app. And right now that video has about the views count are increasing, and I am so glad I came across that video. So the name of that app is vidIQ. I want you to go check it out. I'm so sorry that the video is kind of like dull. The rain fell and there's no sun, so please manage with what I have. So I want you to go check out that app and thank me later, because that app really helped me. It really helps me on my channel. If you check the recent video I posted, my videos are becoming, they're beginning to have more views, and it's that app. Like, the ideas that app give you is amazing. Like, you will not, because if you're struggling to have title ideas and you end up picking a title that your viewers will not even be interested to watch, your videos will just stay there stagnant without any views. But that app will tell you what your viewers want to watch. So please go and try it out. The name is vidIQ. I don't know how will I even show you guys what I'm trying to do, but the name is vidIQ. I want you to go and check it out. Check that app out, and it will really help you. If you are that YouTuber that is struggling with titles on your videos, please, this is something that will help you post consistently. If you even see that title, you will just know ASAP what you need to create on your channel. So please, please do not snooze on this thing. Check this video out and you thank me later. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment on the comment section if you actually learned anything on this place. So thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much.